Good morning, children. Today we are going to study the third lesson, the poem Where Go the Birds. It's a poem written by Robert Louis Stevenson. This poem is about a child that longs for its boat. As the boat moves, the child asks the birds that when will they come back, and he soon realized that it will not come back, and maybe it would be brought ashore by other children. Dark brown is the river. Children, why do you think the river water is having the dark brown? Because it is a rainy season. During the rainy season, usually the river gets a dark brown color because of rain. The mud came to the river and it will become dark brown color. And here the story in this poem, the river is having the dark brown color and golden is the sand. You know that the sand is having the golden color. It flows along forever. What is that flowing always? The river flows always. With trees on either hand, usually the river is having either side, the both side trees or some green plants. Green leaves are floating. Have you seen the leaves in the water, children? Will the leaves float on the water or it will be under the water? Usually the green leaves float on the water. It remains on the top of the water. So the green leaves are floating in the water. Castles of the foam. Foam means the white color bubbles that form in the water. Children, when we wash our hands with soap and rub both hands, we see one kind of white foams. So in the same way, in the river also, when the water goes continuously, water moves continuously, the foam forms in the river. And it will be in different shapes. Sometimes it is like a castle. Castle means a big palace. It's a castle form or sometimes some animal form. And we children all likes to play with the forms. Is it not? Those who play in the bathtub, those who have bath in the bathtub, they know that how to play with the forms. We children all usually play with the water and the soap with the form. So in the same way, in the river also there are lot of forms in different shapes, and this boy is seeing the form in the shape of a castle. Boats of mine are boating, where will all come home? The boy is telling, my boat is sailing in the river, where will all come home? All these things have come from home, and where will all this come from home? All those things that he found in the river and the riverside. On goes the river and out past the mill. The river is moving continuously. It is flowing out past the mill. Mill is a big building where we make powder the thing. Sometimes maybe the paddies we make it rice. Like that, usually the mills, big mills are on the river side. So there is a mill and the river is flowing alongside of the mill. Away down the valley is the place in the mountain area. Mountain is the top part and the side slanting place is called valley. So the river is flowing from mountain to the valley. Away down the hill, from the hill it comes down and it goes up and it comes down, like that. It is the river is moving away down the river is moving 100 miles or more. We don't know how far, how long the river is moving, hundreds miles. Other little children shall bring my boats ashore. So the boy is telling the other little children, those who are down in the riverside, will bring his boat ashore. Ashore means the side of the river. Children, I will recite the poem for you. Dark brown is the river, golden is the sand. It flows along forever with trees on either hand. Green leaves are floating, castles of the foam, What's of mine aborting, where will all come home? On goes the river and out past the mill, away down the valley, away down the hill, away down the river, 100 miles or more, other little children shall bring my boards ashore.